Good to see you. Set the scene for us, if you would, please. What's going on behind you?
Well, I have to say, Julie, I haven't seen a scene like this in so long. Probably not since the Murdaugh trial several months ago. There are tents. We're here in downtown Birmingham, as you know. This is the federal courthouse behind me. You can see the media out front, the front door, waiting on the arrival of the Holloway family. And then I see to my left just a line of paparazzi, a line of tents to my right of media from all over the nation. They're waiting to get the photo of the #1 prime suspect in Natalee Holloway's 2005 disappearance, Joran van der Sloot, as he arrives here to this federal courthouse for that impending change of plea hearing happening in about an hour from now. So this is quite different. I was here yesterday reporting on Court TV. It was like a ghost town. Nobody was here. But now it seems as though the world has descended upon this courthouse in anticipation of what will be a big day. As you know, Julie, we are not only expecting Joran van